Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect ESP32 with Firebase. So we have to start Arduino software. So to install Arduino board library, we need to add board link in this preference and URLs. So here is the board link. I'll give this all the link and info in the description below. Just OK and go to tools and go board manager and search for ESP32 by espressif system. So 1.0.6 let's install. It needs some time. Okay, it is installed. Now to connect this board with computer, we need a driver. So this is the driver link. In the download section, you have to download this driver CP210X for Windows machine version 6.7.6, and I have already downloaded and installed this software. So you have to download this and install this software. Now we need a library to connect with the Firebase. So in the SKS and include library, manage libraries, we have to download Firebase library. Here you have to search for Firebase, and in the below it is Firebase ESP32 client by Mobis. So you can install latest version or the 3.10.5. Here I am using 3.10.5. Just install. For testing purpose, we'll use this code in this library. So go to incompatible and ESP32 client and basic code. Here we need to put some credential like Wi-Fi, SSID, password, API, and email and password. So here I am using my mobile phone hotspot. So SSID is MI AMSA, and password is okay. And to get this fourth thing, API, URL, and email password, we need to create a Firebase project. So in the Firebase, firebase.google.com, we'll go to console and create any project. Any name is like ESP32. Just continue and everything okay. Default account, create projects. I'll just continue, and it is the project dashboard. Okay, so here something we have to do, like Firebase project we have already created, and we need to email authentication. And in the email authentication, sign in method, okay, this get student. In this sign in method, we need to enable these two things. Just save, it is enabled. Okay, and users, here we have to give an email and any password. So here I'm using my email. Just the email, and give any password. Okay, user is added, so this password we have to paste here. I've already copied that password. Okay, now we need two things more: web API key and database URL key. So here we have to create a real-time database and publishing rule. Okay, in the real-time database, just create. Okay, in log mode. Okay, database is created, so we have to publish rule. Here read and write is false, we have to do it true. True and true. Just publish, rule published. So data, and we need this link, not the whole link, just this database and to .com. Okay, go to code and use this URL. Okay, now we need only one thing is web API. So to get web API, go to project setting, and it is the web API. But sometimes you can't see web API key here, so you can copy this web API from here and just paste, or if you don't find this web API here, you have to go to service account and manage service accounts. This will create a new tab to cloud console. Here in the three dot, API and dashboard, API and service, and go to credential, you'll get this API here. It is browser key. So copy API, and look, these two things are same API, so there is no problem. But we have to do one thing more. It is set up service account. So to set up service account, we have to go to I am admin. So here, service account token creator. The service account token creator, we have to add a new member. Thus this project can be accessible from web or another media. So another role, just select basic and owner. Here this is full access to all resources, just select owner and save. Policies updated, so everything is okay. Go to real-time database, and now this is time to upload this code to our board. So here I am connecting this board. The board, and it will compute, and in the board we have to select this board, and this board is do it ESP32 development kit version 1, and communication port is 4. So if you can't find the exact port, just go to device manager and it is communication port CPT10. Communication port is at communication 4, so you have to select this communication port. Okay, everything looks fine. Just upload. So code is uploaded. Now you can see at serial monitor updated JSON. Okay, so in the database you can see that here data is updating. Okay, 2 is writing and here 2 is reading from the database. So that's it. If you want to read and write string type value, then you have to modify this code, and you have to modify like set integer. So here it will be set string, and the data will be string type, and at the time of fetching this data it will be get string, and there is no need of casting this data. Okay, that's it.